AbbVie stock is trading near all-time highs at around $259. Earnings are just days away, and investors are asking one big question. Should you buy before earnings, or is a pullback coming? In this video, we'll analyze the technical chart, fundamentals, earnings expectations, and price targets to see what's next for ABBV. AbbVie has rallied from roughly $190 to $259 in just a few months. That's an impressive move of more than 35%. But now the stock is approaching a major resistance zone where many traders could begin taking profits. The chart shows ABBV trading inside a premium supply zone around $258 to $262. This area has acted as resistance before. If buyers break above it after earnings, momentum could continue. But if the stock fails here, a short-term correction becomes much more likely. AbbVie reports earnings in just a few days. EPS estimate $3.61. Revenue estimate $16.79 billion. With expectations already high, the company will likely need to deliver both strong results and optimistic guidance to keep the rally alive. Fundamentally, AbbVie remains one of the strongest pharmaceutical companies in the market. Its newer drugs continue replacing lost Humira revenue, cash flow remains strong, and investors still receive a dividend yield of about 2.7%. However, much of that optimism may already be reflected in today's stock price. If AbbVie beats earnings and raises guidance, the stock could break above resistance. Potential upside targets: $269, analyst average target $275 to $285, strong breakout zone $300, bullish long-term target. A positive earnings surprise could send the stock to new highs. If earnings disappoint or management gives cautious guidance, profit-taking could begin quickly. Key downside support levels: $250, $240 to $245, $225 to $230. These are the levels where buyers may step back in. Right now, the average analyst target offers only about 4% upside, while a post-earnings decline could be 5 to 12% or more. That means the short-term risk-reward isn't especially attractive for investors buying immediately before earnings. Short-term, the downside risk is slightly higher because ABBV is trading near resistance with high expectations. Long-term, AbbVie remains a quality company with solid fundamentals and could continue rewarding long-term investors after any healthy pullback. For patient investors, waiting for either a post-earnings dip or a confirmed breakout may provide a better entry point. Do you think AbbVie will beat earnings and rally toward $300, or is a correction coming first? Share your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more stock market analysis every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Target.